Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying to repair my Viggen wheels. Right now I have the NG93 wheels, but I've decided to go back to the Viggen wheels to just stay factory, and eventually I might get some BBS RKs. But for the time being, I'm going to repair these, and I also need new tires because these are really bad. So to go over the wheels, some of them aren't too bad, but this one looks really bad. I think the previous owner tried to touch it up with touch-up paint, but it just doesn't look very good. So I'm gonna have to do some heavy sanding on this one. And the last one, as a test, I've already sanded this one and put a coat of primer on it, and I think it came out pretty good. It's really smooth everywhere. So let's get started. Alright, so that's all four wheels that have about 2 to 3 coats. And primer is pretty hard to mess up because it's matte finish and you're supposed to sand it. So make sure that all the areas are covered. And also you might have noticed that I didn't mask my tires, and that's obviously because I'm getting new tires, as these are pretty much finished. So the next step is sand down any areas where you oversprayed, or you see like any areas that you want to get smoothed out. For example, this here, you can see a little bit of overspray, and here. So look for any areas that is not smooth to the touch, because basically what you see right now is how the finish of the end product will be. So you want to be really picky at this stage and sand down all the areas so that it's perfectly smooth. After that, you just wipe it down with alcohol and apply your base coat. All right, and this is the final result. Altogether, I think I spent about $60 on paint and sandpaper. I did use specifically wheel paint, which is basically just high temperature paint. And these are a little bit darker than the stock Viggen wheels, but I actually prefer that. And I put new tires on. These are the Kumo Exta PS31. 215 45 17, which is the stock size. But like I said, it was my first time doing this, and it's not perfect. Some of them are my fault, but some of them are the tire shop's fault. But it is what it is. Like for example, this chipping and I guess like a gash is from the tire shop. But something like this, I should have filled that in with putty or body filler. But yeah, like if you don't do that, it's just gonna show up in the final product. But for personal reasons, I didn't have time and I just went with it. So if you're gonna do it, make sure you don't skip that body filler or putty step. So yeah, this is I'm very happy compared to how much I spent. This is phenomenally better than what I had before. So highly recommend doing this, and it requires a lot of elbow grease, but not a lot of money. So I'll keep you guys posted on how long these hold up. So I think my next project is gonna be painting calipers, because I got brand new looking wheels, but really rusty and crappy calipers, and this rotor especially. I think the rotor is not bad, but the hub, I guess you can call it, is pretty rusty. Same thing up here too, so it doesn't look very good. So that's gonna be my next project. So I hope this helped, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.